what is fraction? How do we define fraction? Fraction. A part of whole. A part of whole. A portion of the complete. A part of whole. A portion of complete. Let's say if you have an apple, if you have this apple, okay, and this is one apple. This is one apple. This is whole. And if I ask you to share it with your sibling, you will cut it in two pieces, two equal pieces. This one is half, and this one is another half, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is a part of the whole. That is a fraction.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, Divyanshi.
Okay.
So fraction is written in the form numerator and denominator. Okay, as 1 by 2, that is called the numerator, and this is denominator. If you ever get confused, just learn D means down. So this one is denominator. Start with D, just to learn it, just to remember. Okay. Okay. Divyanshi, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the total number of equal parts of the whole is divided into this denominator. How many parts of apples are here? 2 parts.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that will be the denominator. Okay. And if we talk about this part is A, this part is E. A is 1 by 2. The one part out of the 2 part. 1 part out of 2 parts, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And if we divide it into 4 parts, A, B, C, D. Okay, in 4 parts, 4 equal parts, then this portion will be 1 divided by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4. This is
1 by 4.
This is 1 by 4 again. Okay, right? Eventually, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you have a pizza, okay, how many slices? 6 slice pizza. Okay.
Okay.
How many siblings you have?
What, ma'am?
How many sibling you have? If you have any sibling or friends, let's say friends, and you have to share this pizza with your 2 of friends. This is Divyanshi. This is her friend. Let's say A and B. Okay. Now you are 3 in total, and you want that everybody of you gets equal share of this complete pizza. Okay.
Yes.
So these 2 slices is for Divyanshi. These 2 is for her friend A, let's say A, and these 2 for B, your friend B. Okay. So how many slices Divyanshi got? 2 slices.
Yes, ma'am.
2 slices. Out of how many slices? How many slices in total are there?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 by 6 is for Divyanshi. Just to simple them, we get cancel like 1 by 3. We write 1 by 3. Okay. 2 by 6 is exact answer, the same answer. Just to simple the form, we write 1 by 3. Okay. And
Okay.
how many portion did Divyanshi's friend get? I'm not asking for only A, for only B, for both of your friends. 1.
Ma'am, they got 4 by 6.
Yes, they got 4. They got 4 by 6, right?
Yes. Hello?
Yes. So numerator divided by denominator. What is numerator? Number of equal parts taken into consideration for a particular case. You understand the meaning of these now?
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody gonna ask the definition of numerator, just I'm writing for particular case. What is denominator? We can say total number of equal parts. The whole is divided. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So types of fraction, proper fraction. Okay.
Okay.
Improper fraction, mixed fraction. You must have done, I guess.
Yes, I have done this.
You have done fraction complete.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Unit fraction.
Ma'am,
So
I
you
had
must
done
tell.
this in the class 4.
Done in the class 4. Okay.
Yes.
But it is in your class 5th as well.
What, ma'am?
In fifth standard, you have fraction in your syllabus or not?
Yes, ma'am, we do have.
Like and unlike fraction, equivalent fraction. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So what is proper fraction? As you told me, you have done this before. What is proper fraction? Divyanshi, I'm
Ma'am, your voice
asking.
is coming very low.
Divyanshi, I'm asking, what is proper fraction?
Just a minute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is proper fraction? You have done this in 4th grade, na? Divyanshi,
Yes, ma'am.
what is proper fraction? Give me example. Not asking for the definition. Give me example. Let's say 3/8. Okay. Let's say how fraction which have writing fraction which have numerator less than the denominator. Okay, it's called proper fraction. Give me
Okay, ma'am.
more examples of it.
Ma'am, 1/2, 6/10, 8
Yes.
by 8/11.
Okay, very good. So you tell me what is improper fraction?
Ma'am, improper fractions are the numbers which denominator which denominator is less than the numerator.
Very good. Like 3/8. So here 8/3. Here 11/10. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next is mixed fraction. How do we write mixed fraction? Fraction which have two parts, mixed fraction, which have two parts, like a whole number and a whole number followed by proper fraction are called mixed fraction. A whole number followed by a proper fraction are called mixed fraction. A whole number, let's say 1. 1 is a whole number. And with the 1, there is a proper fraction 2 by 7. This is mixed fraction. If I write 1 is to 7 by 2, no, that doesn't make sense. 1 is to 2 by 7, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible, bache?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes.
And the next is unit fraction. Very easy. Unit. You know the meaning of unit very well, I guess. Hana?
Yes, ma'am. Once.
Unit fraction like 1 by 7. Okay. 1 by 2. 1 by 16. If I write 3 by 9, so 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So 1 by 3. Okay. Okay, Divyanshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what are like fraction and unlike fraction? Like fraction. What are like fraction? Which have the same denominator. Which have the same denominator, like fraction. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Like, give me example.
What, ma'am?
Give me examples of it.
Like,
Give me any
ma'am,
two
11 by
fraction.
11, 8 by 8, 6 by 6.
What
2 by
I told you, same denominator only. Same denominator, like 1
Okay,
by
those
7,
then
1 by
there
2,
will
3 by 2. Okay, they are like fraction.
okay, ma'am. Then it can be 3 by
Then
6, 8 by 6.
3 by 6. 8 by 6 is it a proper fraction or improper fraction?
Ma'am, this is improper fraction.
Improper fraction, है ना? So let's say 3 by 6, 1 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7. These are like fractions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And on the other hand, what are unlike fraction?
Ma'am,
Yes.
unlike fractions are which have the same numerator.
No, that no. Which have different denominator. In like fraction and unlike fraction, we talk about the denominator only. Like fraction, same denominator. Hana? And unlike fraction, different denominator.
Ma'am, but then this is the normal fraction only.
Like and unlike, when do we know that these are like or unlike? When we have 2 or more than 2 fraction, only then we can compare. Na, is it like fraction or unlike fraction? Agar main aapko bolu, beta, what is 2 by 7? We cannot decide it is like fraction or unlike fraction. And if I give you more than 1, if I write 3 by 7, 6 by 7, 4 by 8, 1 by 7, 3 by 8. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F. So like fractions are B, D, E, F. Okay. B, D, E, F, and like fraction are A and C. These make up A and C. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You got me? आया समझ?
Yes. Yes.
Like fraction. अगर हम एक single लिख लेते हैं, then we can't decide it is it like fraction or unlike fraction. We have to compare it with another fraction. है ना?
Okay. Yes.
And what are unlike fraction? From A, B, C,
Ma'am,
D, E,
unlike fractions are which have different denominators.
different denominator. And tell me amongst them which are the unlike fraction.
What, ma'am?
What are the unlike fraction
Ma'am,
from
3 by
these examples?
Ma'am, 3 by 8 and 3, 1 by 7, 4 by 8, 2 by 7.
Yes, 4 by 8, 2 by 7. है ना? Okay. So the next thing, convert, how to convert improper into mixed fraction. Improper. What are improper? Conversion of improper into mixed fraction. Improper we know, in which we have numerator greater than the denominator, like 8 by 3. This is improper. Numerator is greater than denominator. Improper fraction. Okay. Okay, Divyanshi, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Batao, what is improper fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator? And what is mixed fraction? A proper fraction followed by a whole number. Mixed fraction.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. अभी बताया था ना, भूल गए. What is mixed fraction? Give me example of mixed fraction. Come on. Give me example.
Ma'am, 1 and 2 by 7.
1 and 2 by 7. Okay. Okay. So the topic is, so the thing is conversion of improper into mixed fraction. So let's say if we have 13 divided by 7. Is this proper or improper?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, this is improper.
This is improper. Okay. So how do we convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction? Step 1, what we're gonna do here, we divide and find the remainder. Find remainder. So when you divide 13 by 7, what do you got? Tell me. As remainder. Achika, sorry, Divyanshi. Divyanshi,
Yes, ma'am.
when we divide 13 by 7, you can turn off the video if you're uncomfortable.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me, what do we get when we divide 13 by 7?
Ma'am, the remainder is 1.
The remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. Do it in your paper, in your notebook,
Okay, ma'am.
and show me. You can turn off the video if you want. It's not necessary. You can see my screen now.
Yes, ma'am.
But when I ask to turn it on, you have to do. Okay, just to
Okay,
your notebook work, only then.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. चाप खाने का मन कर रहा है. बुआ के साथ जाऊंगी मैं भी. My screen is visible, बच्चे. आंसर नहीं करते हैं. दिव्यांशी,
Yes, ma'am.
listening me ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Screen दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes.
Okay. Where do you reside, Divyanshi?
What, ma'am?
Where do you live?
I'm in Gurgaon.
Oh, that's nice. I'm also from Gurgaon. Where in Gurgaon?
In sector 51.
Okay, I live here in sector 6.
Oh.
Mayfield, yeah? Mayfield Garden. Have you done? बच्चे बहुत simple सा question था. You just have to divide 13 by 7. 7 ones is 7. The remainder we got 6. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Yes.
Yes. So write it. Step 1 was
Ma'am, I have to write this.
no. I'm writing. If you want to write, you can just learn. Step 1 is divide and find remainder. Step 2 is write it in the form quotient, remainder, dividend. Okay. So what is Q here?
Ma'am, Q is the quotient.
Q is the quotient. What is R here?
Remainder.
What is D here?
Ma'am, dividend.
Okay. So we have to put the value. Value of Q is 1. So we'll
And
write
ma'am, that's the divisor.
that is divided. Yes, this is the dividend. This is dividend, that is divisor. What is the value of R here? 6. 6. Value of D here? 7. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So 13 by 7 was an improper fraction. And we just converted it into mixed fraction. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes. Ma'am. Yes. Yes. So the next thing is how to convert improper fraction. Wait. Into mixed fraction. Let's say improper fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator. Let's say 42 by 11. Okay. Okay. Divyanshi, be attentive, be responsive. If I ask
okay,
you,
ma'am.
okay, then I'm waiting for your reply if you're listening or not. है ना बच्चे?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, so now tell me what you got when you divide 42 by 11. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You're gonna tell me Q R by D. You're gonna tell me what will the answer.
What?
Now you're supposed to tell me what is the answer. How do we write 42 by 11 into mixed fraction? Step 1 is same, divide and find the remainder. Step 2 is
Okay,
also
ma'am.
same, write in the form this. Q is 2R upon D. Now tell me what to write here. Tell me what to write here.
Ma'am,
What is the value
remainder.
of, what is Q?
Quotient.
What is Q? Yes, quotient. What is the value of Q here?
Ma'am, 3.
3. So first we will write 3, not remainder. Into mixed fraction, na, we start with a whole number. First we write whole number, then the fraction.
Okay, ma'am.
So question is whole number, that is 3. That Q is always a whole number. Always. That remainder is also a whole number, always. Okay. So 3 and R is 9. D is 11. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Now. How to convert? How to conversion of mixed into improper fraction. Okay, if you have example 1 is to 3 by 5, we have to convert it. This is mixed fraction. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
we need to convert it into improper fraction. Improper where numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, that upper one is bigger than the lower one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we need to convert this into improper fraction. The fraction is 1 is to 3 by 5. So what we gonna do? We just multiply the denominator with this number, this whole number. Okay. Then whatever we got, we have to add that to the numerator. Okay.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Yes, you will. This is in the form Q. This is the Q. Okay. Q R by T in the general form. That's how we
Okay,
write.
ma'am.
Okay. So we have to do multiplication with these two. Okay. So whatever the product will come after multiplying that, these two terms, these two numbers, we're gonna add that number to this number. So D multiply with Q. That's how we write. Okay. Plus R divided by 5. So the number is 1 is to 3 by 5. Put the value in this. 5 multiply with 1. Right? D multiply with Q. This is D.
Okay, ma'am.
R upon D. Okay. D multiply with Q. D multiply with Q. 5 multiply with 1. Okay. So 5
Okay, ma'am.
multiply with 1 plus what is R? What we're gonna add?
3.
Plus 3 divided by D will come here. D. What is D again? Divided by D. This is the formula we can say. Divyanshi, what do I write here?
Ma'am?
Divyanshi? 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 वो चली गई छोड़ के. दिव्यांशी? Divyanshi?
Ma'am?
Yes, Divyanshi, what happened?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? क्या हुआ था?
Ma'am, I got disconnected.
Okay, so the formula is D multiply with Q plus R divided by again D. So D multiply with Q, we write 5 into 1 plus R. Plus R, what is R? 3 divided by D. What is D again? What is D? Divyanshi. Divyanshi. Yes, what is D? Value of D I am asking. D.
Ma'am, we have to divide it.
Divided with what? Divided it with D. Divyanshi listening?
Yes, ma'am.
मैंने आपसे पूछा D multiply with Q plus R and this whole is divided by D. We started putting the value of each of them. D is 5. We need to compare this fraction with this now. What is D? D is 5. What is Q? Q is 1. What is R? R is 3. Okay. So D multiply with Q. What is D? I'm again asking what is D? D is 5.
Yes,
5.
ma'am.
We put 5 here. What is Q? Q is 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Q is 1 multiply with 1 plus we need to add R. What is R here?
Ma'am, R is the 3.
3. Okay. Now I'm again asking we need to divide this whole with D. D. What is D?
5.
5. Okay. So 5 into 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 as it is divided by 5. 5 plus 3 is
Ma'am, 8.
divided by 5. Now tell me, is this proper fraction or improper fraction? Improper fraction. Okay.
Okay,
We
ma'am.
did it. Okay. Conversion of mix into improper fraction. We had 1 is to 3 by 5. Okay. And we know Q, R, and D. There's a formula for it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. But I told you initially 1 is to 3 by 5 if we have. We have 1 is to 3 by 5. Okay. Just remember the denominator will come as it is. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What will be the numerator? We need to move in this direction clockwise. Okay. We go from this spot to this spot. 5 by multiplying it. 5 into 1. 5 into
Ma'am,
1.
Ma'am, 5.
5. Okay. So 5. Now we have 5. Now in which direction we're going to move? Upward or downward? Upward. Okay. So but this time the role is different. We're gonna add them. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is
8.
8. Okay. If we have 2 is to 3 by 5. Okay. So in the denominator 5 will come. So be denominator mein hai, it will come as it is. Okay. So 5 twos are
Ma'am,
5 twos are
10.
10. So we're gonna multiply 10 with 3 or adding them.
Add.
10 plus 3 is 30. 13 by 5. Okay. Suppose if we have 7 multiply with 2 by 5. Okay. So
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
denominator 5 will come. 5 sevens are 5 sevens are
Ma'am, 35.
35 plus 2
37.
37. Okay, done.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
So we are done here for today, Divyanshi.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Tata.